Hello student, welcome to next practical of web page designing with HTML. In today's video we see the practical number 8, that is insert image on web page using various attributes. Okay, so in this practical we see how we can insert the image in our web page. Okay, so practical significance is image and graphics can be embedded into pages. It improves the appearance of the web page. This practical is useful for inserting an image in web page and formatting the image with various attributes. Okay, so we see how we can insert the image and how we can format the image by various attributes. Next one, here some program outcomes are discipline knowledge, experiment and practice, engineering tools, individual and teamwork and communication. So these are the program outcomes of this practical. Okay, next the practical skill. After this practical, all students must know how insert image in web page and format the image with using various attributes. Okay, so after this practical, all students must know how we can perform these two tasks. Next, here some theoretical background is given. Minimum theoretical background is knowledge of HTML language tag and attribute. Concept of image will with its formats such as JPG image, PNG image and GIF image and image tag with its attribute. Okay, so these are varied formats of images and IMG is the tag in HTML to insert the image. Okay, so let's see first insert image in HTML, how we can insert the image in HTML document. In HTML, image are defined with the IMG tag. Okay, so this is image tag. The syntax of image tag can be given as follow. Okay, so here this is the syntax of image tag. Okay, so let's see how we can insert image. So first write IMG tag. Here we open the IMG tag. Next, here one attribute is SRC, that is source. Okay, in that source we pass the URL. URL means we can pass the any URL or the path where our image is present. Okay, जिस फोल्डर में आपने इमेज को रखा है वो फोल्डर का path with name and if you take the image from website, that time the path of that website. Okay, that we see in the demonstration. Here remember this source क्या पास करना है, यहाँ पे path of the file. Then alt is the attributes. We want this attribute when your image is not display. Okay, if there is any problem to display the image, that time it display the text. Okay, so that text we write in the this tag alt tag in double quote. Okay, so this is basic syntax of image tag. Then we see the attributes and description of the image tag. First is SRC attribute. The SRC attribute contain the path point to the image which is inserted into page. Okay, simple. It in this attribute we pass the path. Alt, the alt attribute is a mandatory attribute which specify an alternate text for an image if the image cannot be displayed. जब आपका इमेज नहीं डिस्प्ले करेगा तो वो टेक्स्ट डिस्प्ले करेगा जो आपको यहाँ पे alt में पास करना है. नेक्स्ट, width and height. Okay, so we can specify width and height of our image to display on web page. So to set image we use width and height. Then align, by default image will align at the left side of the page. Align tag used to align attribute to set it in the center or right. Okay, so by this attribute we can set image alignment. Then border, used to specify the border thickness in the term of pixel using border attributes. Okay, if you set the thickness is equal to 0, that means no border around the picture. Okay, next one, H space and V space. H space to insert the horizontal margin around the image, we use H space attribute. H space for setting left and right of the image, and V space is to vertical margin around image. V space used for the above and below. Okay, so these are the various attributes. We see some of the attributes in our program also. So let's see the demonstration of program. Here I write one code. Okay, so first remember this student first I download one image and save the image in here. I create one image folder. Okay, inside image I paste or save one image. Okay, so first is HTML tag, then head tag. In title tag we write a practical number 8. Here title tag is close and then head tag is close. Inside body tag I create one heading h2 HTML image. Okay, then here I declare image. Okay, in image tag first I write source. Okay, source पे क्या पास करना है आपको? The path of the folder. Here my image is present in this location, so here double click on this and copy your path. Okay, and my file name is xyz.jpg. Okay, so here I paste my path. Okay, C user Vishal Chaudhary desktop image / xyz.jpg. Okay, so this is the path of my file here. Okay, first insert the path and then / add your file name. Okay, here this is my file name. Okay, so I add the path, and next attribute is alt. If the image is not display, that time is display HTML. Okay, and I set width is equal to 200, height is equal to 200. Okay, and then border is equal to 10. Okay, then here image tag is closed. Next body tag close and HTML tag close. Then save the file. I already saved, and then here I open the file. Okay, so this is HTML image, this is heading, and the image is display. Border here, border. If I not mention the border, that time your border is 0. Okay, so when you pass no, that time border is equal to 0. Okay, if I change the height and width, here I pass 300 and 300. Okay, you pass any value that you want to require. Okay, so here size of image is changed. Okay, so by this way we can insert the image and formatting the image by different attributes. Okay, so this is simple code to insert the image in your HTML or web page. Okay, so all of you try this, and if any doubt then ask me. Thank you.